You can be used in friendship, but you don't know your friend is using you. It's like in relationship, because sometimes when you are in problem, you want your friend to help you. Your friend doesn't want to help you, or you are telling your friend your secrets, or sometimes you are in problem with your relationship. Sometimes your friend end up telling other people, gossiping about you with your problem than to comfort you. But when your friend is in problem came to you, you can comfort your friend or help your friend with something. So sometimes be careful, because you can be used in friendship, but you don't know that you are being used. It's not about relationships only. You know that other people, they think that others, they are fools, they don't think. Especially you have got a friend thinks that maybe she is special or he is special than you. So sometimes you have to think about yourself nowadays. Don't think about other people, because when you are in problem, or maybe something is not going good in your life, you are telling your friend. Why you are telling your friend? You trust your friend very well. You can be used, guys, by other friends. You keep your friend's secrets, you understand, but your friend can't keep your secret. Your friend is telling other people about your life, about how you live your life, everything, but you never open your mouth. Even one day you are telling people about your friends' secret, and sometimes you know more deep secrets about your friends, that even you open your mouth, your life can be destroyed, but you can't do it. But your friend, you have got a right to tell other people about your secrets, about your life. So sometimes be careful, because sometimes you are playing with a person. It's like you are playing with a snake. Sometimes don't tell your friend more your secret, sometimes, because you can be used. You are planning to have a business, to have a business with that person, but your friend end up being have that business behind your back. You don't know. You can surprise your friend now is running that business you are planning. So be careful, guys. You can be used in life by people, but you don't see that you are being used, because you don't know. You understand? You tell your friend everything. Why you are telling her everything thing? Because your friend is telling you everything. You keeping secret, or you help your friend with some of ideas, what. But your friend, sometimes maybe you've got some of the ideas she knows about some of the things you want to do. But your friend is very selfish, doesn't want to tell you some of the business ideas. Why? Because your friend wants yourself to be excited, not you. So you have to be careful when you are choosing your friends. It's better to be alone than with a fake friend.